The remains of the castle of Bordalba crown a hill around which the village is clustered. Some authors have suggested the possibility of an Islamic origin within the defensive system of the upper march of Al-Andalus. Conversely, the presence of Celtiberian pottery reused in the masonry points to an earlier occupation of the area. In any case, the preserved remains correspond to a Christian-style fortress, linked to the territorial reorganization following the conquest of Calatayud in 1120, when Bordalba was integrated into the community of villages of Calatayud. The most prominent episode of the 13th century took place on February 28, 1296, when an agreement was signed behind its walls between James II of Aragon and Alfonso de la Cerda, pretender to the throne of Castile. During the 14th century, the castle was part of the defensive system of the western border of the Kingdom of Aragon. The War of the Two Peters turned the area into an unstable front. In 1381, Peter IV sold Bordalba, along with other sites of the lordship of Ariza, to Guillem de Palafox, marking the beginning of its stage as a feudal lordship. The Palafox family maintained control during the 15th century. During the reign of Alfonso V, Anton de Palafox actively defended the lordship of Ariza against these incursions. Today, the castle is in a state of ruin. Even so, its dominant position makes it possible to understand its former function as a point of surveillance and territorial control.